Hi everyone, this is Cindy Creating the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. Now, I just recently shared my Darcie's kit club. I can't remember if it comes every other month or every third month, but this is my February kit that I finally decided to pull out and to use. One of the things that this kit comes with, I'll show you the one that came recently because I used this one. I'm going to show you. It comes with all of these pieces that you can use to cut out to make this card. And so you just have, and they're done on cardstock, printed out on cardstock. And then you just cut out the pieces and you make the card. So I am in the process of kind of a kit. So I'm going to work on this February kit. And I wanted to share the cutout ones that I made. So here are all the ones that I made using those cut aparts. So let me just show you here. So one of the things that I did was it comes with, on that cardstock sheet, a full card fully put together so that you know what to make. So here is this one right here. And then here it is once I've cut all the pieces and adhered them. And they're not, you don't have to color them in or anything. You just cut everything out and then put it together. So kind of these projects I think would really be good for like a crop or something that you want to just kind of keep yourself busy, maybe at a kid's event or like practice, baseball practice, that kind of thing. Something to do that's quick and easy. You don't have to bring a lot of supplies with you. And so for this one, I went ahead and I put it together. And then I also used the tin pins that came in the kit. These little pins that come in the kit for my card. Okay, so that's that first one. And then here is the second card. This is the one that already comes together, and once you cut it out, it's actually an A2 size card. It just didn't make sense to waste that. So I went ahead and just put that one down, and then here is the one that I made putting everything together. And then you've got the tin pin, which gives it that 3D look. There's that one. And then this one, let's do this one here, which is Sorry to Hear You're Sick as a Dog. And then here's the one once you put it together with the tin pin. And then we've got this one, Whipping Up Some Birthday Love. And then with the tin pin. And then here's this one right here. And then in terms of what I have left of the kit is when I cut all the pieces out to make these cards, there was an extra base piece. So I have these that I'm going to work with next. And then, of course, the stamps that came in the kit. So just to give you an idea of the stamps that came in the kit, I am going to work with these. Probably some of the leftover stuff I might use other stamps. So this kit, I really, really liked all of the stamps with it. I don't love the one that just came. And then here is the papers that came in the kit that I can use for my next project. So that's the next thing I'm going to be working on, is working on those extra pieces to try and kill this kit. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in this kit, it's not one that you can sign up online. If you go to the Darcie's Heart and Home website, I don't think that it's darciesheartandhome.com. If you go to that website, there is a link there to sign up for their monthly kit. And I think I want to say it's every 3 months. So you print it out, the form, you fill it out, and then you mail it into them with your credit card number. And then that is how you get the kit. They don't do it online. So it's a little bit more complicated. But this is a really cute kit. It's a little bit different. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.